Hi friends, so today we are making this adorable Easter egg light strand, all with things from the Dollar Tree. Okay, so for this project I am using some just Easter eggs I got at the Dollar Tree. These are some little Christmas lights. Everybody has like leftover Christmas lights, but these actually came from the Dollar Tree around Christmas time. If not, you can get the little battery operated LEDs. They have them for every different season there. So you're going to need that. Then you're going to need a drill. I have seen some people do these with a wood burning kit, but my husband says burning plastic is toxic, and recommends against that. He's the sane one, right? When I'm like, hey, I want to do this, and he's like, you really should do it this way. So anyway, and we have some drill bits. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're just stacking up the little Easter eggs, 5 or 6 at a time, just so he can drill straight down. That way you don't have to do all 20 of them, individually. And I was having a little trouble getting mine to stack, Easter eggs are a little different sizes, so I want to make sure that they were nice and stark. As you can see, Jacob has stacked a lot more in the same amount of time. It is just right off camera, but right now we are just measuring to see just what size drill bit that he used. I think he used a 1/4, but you're just going to want to use something that is just a little bit smaller. See, I'm telling him here that that's way too big, so he's going to change it for me. Just a little bit smaller so that they're nice and tight in there. He does put down a piece of styrofoam just so that he doesn't drill all the way through the table. That would not be good. We do decide here that it's best to just do a few at a time, so that is what we're doing now. And we're just checking to make sure that they fit nice and tight, that it's not too big or too small, and it looks like it fits just perfectly. A few of the eggs did crack a little, but I actually found that the ones that cracked made it just a little bit easier to work that light in there, and then just to kind of use that flap that it cracked just a little bit to hold it in place. So it actually worked to our advantage. Not every one of them cracked, but the ones that did, we used it as an advantage. As you can see, our eggs are fitting really perfectly in there. They're really nice and really snug, but if for some reason you get the holes too big or something like that, you can always just use a little bit of hot glue just to secure them if you have trouble with them falling out. And here it is, guys. Oh my goodness, I love it so much. It looks so adorable in our dining room. It's so cute, so cute. Anyway, thanks so much for watching, guys. Be sure to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.